What's going on, guys? This is the third episode for my website design tutorial. This is specifically from a designer standpoint. I'm taking this design and I'm coding it, showing you guys how I would go about coding this thing together from a front-end development standpoint. So in the last video, we finished up with the banner section and the main call to action, and now we're going to get into the second call to actions for specific things like shoes and winter sale. So let's go ahead and let's do this. So I've already shown you guys how to pull images from your document. If you forget how to do that, you can go back to the last video and do that. I've already made these images and pulled them so that I don't have to waste time in doing that over and over again because it gets a little repetitive. Alright, so let's go into this and let's see. So right now we just finished up with this guy here. So now we need to go into our document and let's see here. Alright, so from here we're gonna go and we're gonna make a new div, or actually we're gonna do a section. Alright, and this section is going to be a class name of secondary CTA. That'll work. And in this section here, we're going to have two div elements with these two boxes here. Alright, so here we're going to say div, or we can do this, div, and we're going to say shoe CTA. Cool. And in this shoe CTA, it's going to have that background image thing again, and then so we're going to go ahead and do div class, or not class, winter sale CTA. Cool. So as you can see in the Photoshop document, we have a little text element here and then a button. So let's go ahead and put that in. I'm going to call that an H2, and I'm just going to copy that text from Photoshop. Okay. Cool. And then, as you can see, that one spot was a bold, so I'm going to say span. Cool. And then I'm going to put a button. Do that class there. And I'm going to say shop now. Cool. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it in this. There, bring that over, and then say shop winter sale at checkout. Okay, whoops, let's quit that. Let's see, shop. Cool. And that's gonna need to be like that. Alright, so now let's look at our thing. So as you can see, we have these two boxes here. Let's go into this and let's say these are about 542 pixels wide. So we need to go into our home.zas, come down here and say the shoe CTA, not show, shoe. Let's say background URL, and we're going to do that same thing. We're going out of the SAS folder into the images folder and getting shoe-cta.jpg. Awesome. As you can see, it's right here and it's automatically repeating and all that good stuff. So now we need to say the width was 400. Let's get my info panel here. Here's my info. 542. So that's going to be its max width. And it's going to have a width of 100%. So as you can see, there it is, right there. Awesome. And we're going to need to put in our container here. So secondary CTA, and we'll put in our container. And that, and remember this container div centers everything on the page. So there we have that. Awesome. Super cool. Alright, now we need to give it the height, which the height is 301. Let's go back here. Home. Whoops. Home. Alright. Height. Yeah, let's do this. Set the syntax there. Height. 301 pixels. Awesome. There it is. Sweet. Alright, cool. So now we're going to select the H1 or H2 in here and say color white. And then we're going to say in here text align center. I can't write. There we go. Text align center, and I'm going to make this smaller so I can see what I'm doing. Text center, and then I'm going to give this a padding top of 107 pixels. Cool. And then I need to tell it to do text transform, and this is going to give it all uppercase. And then we're going to say font weight 100. There we go. Awesome. And then I'm going to give the H2 a width. Let's see. Hold on here. Where's my thing? Okay. So it's going to have a width of 184 pixels. Dude, it's 182. Center that in there. There we go. Just see if I can get that to come down. There we go. Cool. And then we'll say and then we're actually going to do the padding on the top here isn't looking great. Okay, that's better. And then I'm going to say background repeat none. And that should... That's not doing it. Because of the padding, we're probably going to have to adjust our height. So 301 minus 120 would be 2 or 1. Alright, there's that. And then we're going to give this, or actually, I'm going to give the section secondary CTA a margin top of 50 pixels. Awesome. Okay. Now we're going to give this a font size of pixels. Alright. Cool. And we're going to give this oh, I see. Okay, so now I need to do the okay, cool. So basically this is going to have everything here. Except it's going to be font weight like 700 here. Sweet. Alright, cool. Now we're going to go into the button here, which is secondary CTA button. And we're going to say, actually we're going to bring that over like that. Cool. And we're going to say, and then border, same kind of thing, 1 pixel, solid, white. Alright, and then we're going to do height is 25, width is 55. And then this is actually supposed to say start here. Alright, cool. Let's see. Text transform uppercase, and then we're gonna do, actually that's looking pretty good right there. It's looking about right. Except I think, yeah, okay. This is 2 pixels, not 1. Cool. Now let's do this box here. That's going to have pretty much everything the same as this, except the URL is different. Or cool. So what we're going to have to do here actually is we're going to have to say float left. And where did my image go? There it is. Awesome. So then from here, we can kind of just do this. Save that over, and voila, there we are. Now we're going to go back to our hover state up here, and we're just going to copy this in here and here. Come back here, put that there, put that there. And why are those in hover right now? Interesting. Let me see here. Alright, there we go. I think it was, oh, I know why. That's why. Get these over like that. Cool. Alright. Alright guys, well that's probably all I'm going to do for this video. In the next video we will go over doing this whole section here with these 4, and then we'll get into doing this down here, which is going to be awesome. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Also, if there's any commentary on how you think that, or any criticism on the videos, anything you'd like to see me do, or anything you think that I'm doing wrong, I'm learning here too, guys, so definitely let me know. Alright, thanks, and take it easy.